day everyone. I am here today to discuss about the mobile learning and ubiquitous access to materials, empowering learning anytime, anywhere. This is once again Mr. Rocky Primbi Savindra, student of Cebu Technological University, Mualboal Campus. So, what is mobile learning? So, mobile learning defined refers to the use of mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets to facilitate learning and provide access to educational resources. So mobile learning is the utilization of portable devices, as what I have said earlier, smartphones and tablets to support learning and uh, grant individuals access to educational materials. It allows learners to engage in educational activities anytime and anywhere, enabling flexible and personalized learning experiences. Of course, mobile devices serves as platforms for delivering educational content, interactive exercises, and assessments. They enable learners to access a vast array of resources, including ebooks, educational apps, videos, and online courses. Mobile learning also harnesses the convenience and ubiquity of mobile technology, empowering individuals to acquire knowledge and skills on the go, fostering continuous learning in a digital and mobile-driven era. The next one is that it allows learners to engage in educational activities regardless of their physical location. So of course, mobile learning enables to actively participate in educational activities, irrespective of their physical location, by leveraging mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Individuals can access educational resources, engage in interactive exercises, and connect with the learning communities from anywhere. So this flexibility breaks down the barriers of traditional classroom settings, allowing learners to study on the go, whether they are commuting, traveling, or simply in a different physical location. So that is how mobile learning is. So what are the benefits of mobile learning? So the first one is that flexibility and convenience. So learners can access educational materials and resources anytime, anywhere, fitting learning into their busy schedules. Of course, so since learners can access educational content anytime, anywhere, fitting learning into their schedules, the portability of mobile devices allows for personalized learning experiences, catering to individual preferences and creating opportunities for self-paced and continuous learning. So the next benefit is the personalized learning. So of course, mobile devices enables learners to access content that matches their interests, preferences, and learning needs. Therefore, in this personalized learning, learners can access also or can access tailored educational content that matches their interests, abilities, and learning styles. Of course, like mobile apps and platforms use data analytics to deliver targeted recommendations, promoting deeper engagement and better understanding of knowledge retention through a more individualized learning experiences. So what are other benefits of mobile learning? So number one, so actually I have 10 benefits of mobile learning. Number one, we have accessibility. So mobile learning provides access, of course, to educational resources for learners in remote or underserved areas, bridging the digital divide and promoting inclusivity. The next one, we also have interactive learning. So mobile devices in this case offers various interactive features like quizzes, games, and simulations, enhancing learner engagement and promoting active participation. The next one, we also have real-world applications. So, mobile learning often integrates real-world scenarios, enabling learners to apply knowledge immediately in practical situations. That's how real-world applications is. Next, we also have instant feedback. So learners receive instant feedback on their progress through mobile apps, enabling timely assessments and targeted improvements. Next, we also have micro-learning. So mobile learning facilitates bite-sized content delivery, allowing learners to absorb information in short, focused sessions, optimizing knowledge retention. The next, we also have collaborative learning. So, of course, mobile devices supports communication and collaboration among learners, fostering peer-to-peer interaction and knowledge sharing. Next, we also have continuous learning. So, with mobile learning, education becomes a lifelong process, empowering individuals to learn beyond formal settings and stay updated in their fields. Then we also have cost effectiveness. So mobile learning reduces the need for physical materials, making education more affordable and environmentally friendly. Then we also have self-paced learning. So what is self-paced learning? So in this case, learners can progress at their own pace, accommodating different learning speeds and preferences. Then the last one, we also have multimedia rich content. So mobile learning incorporates multimedia elements like videos, infographics, and animations, enhancing the overall learning experiences. So actually, these benefits collectively contribute to a more engaging, efficient, and inclusive educational approach in the mobile learning environment. Then, we also have ubiquitous access to materials. So to clarify, ubiquitous refers to something that is present or available everywhere or in many places at the same time. It also suggests a state of being widely accessible or constantly present, often in the context of technology or information that can be easily and readily accessed from various locations or devices. In the context of mobile learning, ubiquitous access to educational materials means that learners can access learning resources from anywhere and at any time using mobile devices. So as you can see in the definition in the slide, so with the mobile learning, educational materials become readily available, removing the barriers of time and location. Also, learners can access textbooks, lecture notes, multimedia, resources, and online platforms from the palm of their hands. So that's what is ubiquitous access to materials. So what are the types of mobile learning materials? So actually, we have a lots of mobile learning materials, and I have listed two. The first one, we have ebooks and digital textbooks. So ebooks and digital textbooks are very uh, essential nowadays. Especially learners can access a vast of array of digital books, which often come with interactive features and multimedia elements. So when we say ebooks and digital textbooks, so actually these are electronic versions of printed books that can be read on various electronic devices So, such as computers, even tablets, cell phones, smartphones, e-readers. So, our Android phones also can be used in this what we call digital textbooks. So, they are digital files, contain the same content as the traditional books. So, what we have written in the books can be also found in e-books or digital textbooks, but in a digital files. So, they offer a very convenient and versatile alternative to traditional printed books, making reading and learning more accessible and interactive in the digital age. Next, we also have educational apps. So what are educational apps? So these are mobile apps provide interactive learning experiences ranging from language learning to STEM simulations. So, in other words, educational apps are software applications designed to support learning and educational purposes. So, these apps are typically available on mobile devices and offer interactive and engaging content for users of all ages. So, this what we call educational apps can cover a wide range of subjects and skills, catering to various learning levels and needs. That is why in our phone we have App Store, Play Store, or uh, other store that is found in the uh, Android or smartphones or even tablets. Next, we also have mobile learning tools and technologies. So, what are the mobile learning tools and technologies? So, first we have Learning Management System or LMS. So, these are mobile-friendly platforms allow learners to access course materials, submit assignments, and participate in discussions. So LMS is a software platform that actually facilitates the administration, delivery, tracking, and management of educational courses and training programs, just like in the DepEd, as what I have discussed from my previous video. So it provides educators and organizations with tools to create, organize, and deliver content, as well as track learners' progress, assessments, and overall performance in a centralized and efficient manner. Then we also have podcast and audio resources. So what are podcast and audio resources? So podcast and audio resources, these are audio-based learning materials, provide a portable and engaging way to learn on the go. So to elaborate, so these are programs available on the internet that cover various topics and can be streamed or downloaded for listening on demand. So, it can provide educational content like lectures, audiobooks, language lessons, and interviews. So, these kind of resources offer accessible and flexible learning options for users on the go. So, in this case, so using podcast and audio resources can cater those auditory type of learners. Next, what are the mobile learning strategies? So, I have here two, I listed two. So, number one, we have micro learning. So, micro learning, delivering content in bite-sized, easily digestible chunks, ideal for quick mobile learning sessions. So, uh, to describe microlearning, so it is a pedagogical approach that delivers short and focused bursts of learning content. So typically in the form of bite-sized modules or lessons, each microlearning unit addresses specific learning objectives, making it efficient for learners to acquire knowledge quickly, engage in self-paced learning, and apply information in practical context. And actually, this microlearning is present in the Facebook Reels. There are lots of microlearning videos there that is bite-sized and digestible chunks. Okay. Next, we also have gamification. So I have already discussed the gamification in my previous video. So just to review, so one of the mobile learning strategies is through the form of gamification. So incorporating game elements and mechanics into mobile learning apps to increase engagement and motivation to learners. Next, we also have mobile learning benefits for different audiences. So I have here two audience. So we have students and professionals. So number one, for students, mobile learning offers flexibility and personalized learning experiences, allowing students to study at their own pace. So of course, in professionals, mobile learning provides opportunities for continuous professional development, enabling learning on the job or during commutes. So, it is very true nowadays, especially me when I am commuting from Badian to Dalaget. So, I used uh, headsets or headphones while listening to the report of other students. So that's why some cases that uh, I cannot even answer the questions. So that means that I am driving a motorcycle or commuting. Okay. Next, we also have challenges and considerations. So what are the challenges and considerations in using mobile learning and ubiquitous access to materials? So the first one we have device compatibility. So when we say device compatibility, mobile learning materials should be accessible across a variety of devices and operating systems. Then we also have digital divide. So digital divide, unequal access to mobile devices and reliable internet connectivity can limit the benefits of mobile learning for some learners. And that is very true in far-flung areas or mountainous areas here in Cebu. How much more to those uh, places which have no internet connectivity? Okay, so that's how challenging is applying mobile learning and ubiquitous access to materials in the field of education, especially you have no devices, you have limited internet connectivity, so that's it. Okay. So, what are the conclusions that we able to learn in this video? So, mobile learning and ubiquitous access to materials empower learners by providing flexible, personalized, and on-demand educational experiences. So, of course, these modern approaches enable individuals to learn at their own pace, anytime and anywhere, as I have discussed a while ago. So, fostering a deeper understanding and engagement in the learning process. Then, as mobile technology continues to advance, the potential for mobile learning to transform education and training is vast. Of course, so with the increased capabilities and accessibility, learners can benefit from personalized, interactive, and on-the-go learning experiences, enhancing knowledge acquisition and skill development in diverse fields. Then the last one. So it is concluded also that it is essential to address challenges and ensure equitable access to mobile learning opportunities for all learners. Of course, by overcoming barriers like limited resources, uh, digital platforms, connectivity issues, and digital literacy gaps, we can provide inclusive and accessible learning experience for all learners, promoting fair and meaningful participation in the modern educational landscapes. So, as we all know that not all the learners can have the opportunity to buy smartphones, Androids, or whatever. So there is a great challenge. But even if this is a great challenge, so the Department of Education also provided some tablets for us to experience or for the students or learners to experience how to use these kind of platforms or these kind of technologies. So I hope you learned something for this video, and this is the end of adaptive learning technology topic, learning technologies. So thank you for listening